Hey everybody, this is Mark with Ambient Video Courses. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Malwarebytes Free Edition. So you could purchase the license for $40 a year, which is always recommended, but I'm going to show you how you can use the free version and get the most out of it. So once you've installed the free version on Windows and you open up the program, so let's share what it will not do with the free version. So you will not get what's called the live protection while you're running your computer on the internet and browsing. So you won't get the real live protection when you're browsing the internet. That's the main differences. And that's what the protection license is for. But you can use it for protecting your system and actually scanning your computer for malware, malware infections, or malware protection. So you can scan your system. So it's very useful for that. And also it's free. So let me just show you real quickly some of the basic settings you want to adjust before you start using it. Now what it does is scans your computer for any malware, which is better than scanning for a virus because malware is more damaging to your computer. So you want to make sure you scan your computer about once every 3 to 5 days. So when this is done, it'll show what it has found. It scans for rootkits, scanning in your memory for malware, startup items, registry, and your files, all included. Also, a lot of people don't know about Malwarebytes. It actually scans also for any type of malware infections, but it also does a scan for viruses as well. So be aware of that. So it's still safe to run this as a virus protection software as well. A lot of folks don't know that. They think it's strictly a malware software, but it actually will scan for malware viruses as well. So use this to its full ability because the free version works quite nice.